Hey guys, welcome back to Seashell Music, and today I'm going to teach you a basic fingerstyle pattern that you can use in your playing. So I'm going to move away from teaching just songs for a little bit, and this is inspired by a song by Isabela Moner called I'll Stay, taken from the film Instant Family, which I watched yesterday and really enjoyed. Definitely recommend it. And okay, I'll play through it, I'll go to a close-up, I'll show you how to do it, and I hope it helps with your playing. Okay, so this song is going, well, this lesson is going to use an A minor chord. It's going to use a C chord. It's going to use a G chord, but you're going to move your second and third fingers up a string and put your pinky on the third fret of the B string. And leave the high E string ringing out, and then an F chord. So you're going to put your thumb over the top of the first fret and then play your F chord underneath. If you can't quite manage that, I'll show you another way you can do your F chord later in the video. So the pattern is going to go, you can use your thumb as your bass note, and you use fingers 1 and 2 on strings G and B. And it's going to switch between them, so it's going to go bass, so 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then it's going to go to C, 1 and 2, same notes. Then it's going to go to G, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and then it's going to go to F, 1. That's all it is. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and practice that. Slow it down, speed it up, and then we can start to mix it up a bit. So I'm going to add in an extra bass note here. So I'm going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 on my A minor chord, and I'm going to move my second finger up and I'm going to play this second fret of the A string, which is a B note. It's going to lead into your C chord. Okay, so we'll listen to this. One more time. 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and the last thing, if on the F chord you can't get this big E first fret ringing out, you can use the D string as your bass note. It'll just sound like this.